Hi everyone, this is Dr. J. Nithyapriya, Assistant Professor, Department of CS, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Even in this video, we're going to see about IOstreams of Java. We are going to see about the types of streams and the methods and subclasses of the input-output stream classes, and two main combinations of classes we are going to see. The first one is file output stream, file input stream classes. And the second combination is file writer and file reader classes. Okay, right. What is a stream? A stream in English it is known as a river. Okay, in a river the water will flow. So in streams in programming languages the data will flow. For handling streams we'll have a class. For example, if you want to flow, if you want to if you want the data to float in the stream, that is called as input stream. If you want to float the data to write, that is called as output stream. That means it is very simple. Okay, so in a stream there will be one source program and one destination program. Okay, from the one program will write on the stream and one program will read on the stream. The program that reads is called as input stream and the program that writes is called as output stream program, right? So there are two types of streams as we have seen in the earlier slide, input stream and output stream. And data, no, the data will be of two types. One is text data, another one is binary data, right? So usually text data will be handled by reader writer classes and binary data will be handled by stream classes. That's it. Then this is a slide which shows about the methods of input output stream classes. As you see here, the output stream class has the methods write, close and flush. In write we can write bytes, and bytes with length, the starting length and the starting byte and the ending byte. Okay, so everything will be given in the methods. And in input stream class the methods are read, available, skip, reset and close, right? So these are the subclasses of output stream and input stream classes. The subclasses are of output stream class are output stream, file output stream, buffered output stream, data output stream. And that of the input stream classes class are input stream, file input stream, buffered input stream and data input stream subclasses. So in the previous slide we saw the methods of the classes, and in this slide we have seen the subclasses of the output stream and input stream classes, right? So in the upcoming slides we are going to see two main classes as I told you early: file output stream, file input stream class, then file reader and file writer class. Okay, so now it is file output stream. We are going to open a file and we are going to write some data on it through file output stream class, and later in file input stream class we are going to open the file and we are going to read the written data. That's it. This is the task we are going to accomplish now. So see, now we create a public class called bytestreamWrite. Okay, we open the main class and we define a string called str, right? Str here has the value welcome, right? So this this str that is converted into bytes and that is saved in a byte array which is called b. Okay, now that b has a length, right? So up to the length of b, that text is written on the file opened, which is sample.txt. Okay, so what is the text we read here? We are going to write here welcome, welcome. So that is going to be written on that. So file output stream, FOS is the object of file input stream output stream class. Then we open the file sample.txt and we just write on it using the write method, and finally we close the file. Now we try opening the file. See, this is sample.txt and here it has the text welcome. Okay, so it has been written. through file output stream class. Now using file input stream class, you're going to take the data out. We are going to read the data and we are going to write it on the console, Java console, right? Okay, now how we are doing it? We just in a main method, in a public class main method, we create an object for file input stream class, which is FIS. Okay, then we just read the data and we just write on it. Okay, so this integer c is no, it is going to read the data from sample.txt till the content is over. Okay, when the content will start, it starts with 0. So when it becomes -1, it is no, the previous byte of 0. So what does it mean? The data is empty. Okay, so up to the data that the file has, the whole data will be written. When it finishes writing, the file will be closed. So that is what the condition mean. While fis the object, fis dot t read is not equal to -1. What does it mean? If it is equal, when it becomes equal to -1, it will finish reading. Okay, so from 0, then greater than 0, when it will be read. When it becomes less than that, -1, reading will stop. That is no character to read, it means. So the read characters will be written using SOP, system.out.println method. That is the common method of Java. Finally we close the file. Right, so here is the output. See, welcome is written. Since we have written using the println function, it is printed one by one in the separate lines. Okay, now it is the next combination of classes, which is file reader and file writer classes. Okay, right, so the same way, file writer class will write here in this program. We are going to open a file called sample1.txt. That is another notepad file. Okay, so we are going to write from 65 to 91 characters. What does it mean? 65 is the ASCII of capital A and 91 is the ASCII of capital Z. Okay, capital alphabet Z. So from A to Z in capital letters, we are going to write on the notepad file sample1.txt, right? So it is written using write function, and we close if any exception arises. That will be caught using exception handling. Okay, so that is about file writer. Then see, no, we try opening the notepad file. This is sample1.txt, and here all the characters, capital letters from A to Z, they have been written on the file sample1.txt. Okay, so file writer is over. Now we are going to open the file using file reader, and we are going to print the text on sample1.txt on the console of Java. Okay, so like we did for the previous program. Okay, so now it is we open a main class in file reader class. It is a defined class. It's a user defined class. File reader is a user defined class. Okay, so file reader, in a main function, we create an object for file reader class. So the same way, when it is not equal to -1, an integer variable is defined. The integer variable is not equal to -1, up to that will read. Okay, when it is equal to -1, reading will be over. Right, so all the red characters will be written through system.out.println function on the console. So finally we close the file, then the exception handler is defined. Okay, so we see the output. See, no, all the characters have been written using println function one by one. Okay, so that is about file reader and file writer classes. And the difference about the previous file input stream, file output stream, and file reader, file writer classes are, actually stream classes will read data in bytes, but this file reader and file writer classes will read data in characters. That is the main difference. Okay, I hope you understand this video, and thanks for watching.